Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my marble nail. First you want to start off by, basic prepping the nail, filing off all of that shine so that the acrylic can adhere to the nail. And I was going to go in with my Nail Finds Prep and Prime, but I chose just to use my Protein Bond. First, I'm going to go in with some clear, because when you just put colored acrylic on the nail, first of all, sometimes it's not strong enough depending on what acrylic you get, and it can also stain the nail, like with the color of the acrylic. So you always want to do it clear. And the three colors I chose are a red, a blue, and a black. And they're by Legacy Nails. So it's the Queen of the Night, the Iris, and the Rosa. So when I do my marble, when I first started, I used to try to pick up more than one bead at a time. Now I just pick up one bead, place it, do the next color, place it, and however many colors I have, and I'll put them all on there, and then I mix them together. And then I add more as I go, doing the same thing. So I always do more than one bead at once. Sometimes I do two, sometimes I do three. I won't do more than three though at a time. So as you can see, I kind of just place the colors and then I swirl them, or I'll just pat it down to make it blend in together. This is just me going over it with a clear bead. My camera froze right in the middle of this, but I just went in with a clear bead so that when I file it, I don't file away the color. And it also helps to smooth out the acrylic, the colored acrylic, to make it more smooth. Now I'm just filing it so that I can smooth out everything to make it smooth. And I'm also shaping it so that it can look perfect. Then we're gonna buff it. And then I'm going to add an ASP top coat to it. It's a gel top coat. And I'm going to cure it under the light for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to wipe it off with some alcohol because it's not a no wipe. And then I'm going to go over it again with a dry pad and wipe it off as well. And that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.